Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Casey. I am 22 years old. I live in San Francisco and I am a social media coordinator. My channel revolves around lifestyle videos, vlogs, fashion, and most importantly, my what I eat in a week videos. But for the past couple of weeks, I've taken a step back from making those videos because, quite frankly, my relationship with food has not been the best. So I'm trying something different. For the past 2 to 3 years, I have been tracking every single calorie in MyFitnessPal. And for me personally, it has been so toxic and detrimental to my mental health, my body dysmorphia, and my past history with eating disorders. So I deleted MyFitnessPal, and for this next year and however long, I will be just not tracking my calories and just eating intuitively. So yeah, I'm happy about it, and let's see how it goes. So let's hop into the video. Hi everyone, it's Casey. It is April 8th at 8 a.m. It's a Thursday, and as you saw, I made my green tea. And for every morning this week, haven't drank coffee and I've only been drinking green tea, which is a switch up for me because I rely heavily on my matcha and my coffee throughout the day and throughout the week. But today is the first day since I deleted MyFitnessPal, and yeah, I don't know, it's been a little odd because I feel myself grabbing my phone and trying to go onto the app, because typically I plan out my meals for the day the night prior, which is super like obsessive, but I didn't do that last night because I deleted the app. So like I find myself like trying to go on my phone and look and see what I'm eating today. But yeah, so I feel free this morning. I like don't know what I'm gonna eat, and I'm just gonna listen to like what my body wants and like what it's craving. So I'm not hungry yet, so I'm gonna drink my tea. So it's like 9:30 now and I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry. So I'm just gonna have one of these Alani Nu protein bars. These are literally my favorite bars. I crave these all the time. They're quite expensive, but let me show you guys what it looks like. You probably know what it looks like if you watch my What I Eat in a Weeks, because they have been featured. But literally a candy bar, and it's so freaking good. And it is filling, so it'll keep me like satisfied till I'm like really hungry.
How you doing? Good.
Yeah, no, like, snack time.
I can just get some control over this damn thing.
This lighting is not it, but I heated up a tortilla on the stove. I just like let it touch the flames, and then I'm gonna just like rip it apart and then scoop some of this tuna dip I made yesterday. It looks really gross, but it's 2 cans of tuna, half a cup of Greek yogurt, buffalo sauce, and a cup of corn. And it's so freaking good and protein, and I have like this carb balanced tortilla. So very protein-esque and good. I know it looks gross, but this shit bussin'. Cheers.
Jack, are you an idiot? Terrible thing to you. You did a terrible thing to me, Joe. It'll follow you. But I won't. I love that toy.
My mother's legs, my sister's.
Her visa is expiring. She's going to be deported if we don't get married.
Just come. You two deserve each other.
Hello, so for dinner I'm making a kale salad with Trader Joe's kale. And then I'm gonna add some of these organic chicken tenders. I'm gonna use 2, pop them in the air fryer, cut them up, all that jazz. Add some frozen corn, but it won't be frozen. And then some apples I had from this morning. So let's assemble. Got a Big Daddy bowl. I'm just gonna microwave the corn first and then add everything else. So yeah, so this is my Friday. Super boring. Probably gonna go on a walk later with my friend Kim. But yeah, I've been wearing this sweatshirt for the past 2 days with these, oh frick, these joggers. Look at them. They're from Target. Like, what? I don't have a dump truck, but then these. Microwaved. Get generous. Apples. So I cut up the apples. Are you guys pro fruit in your salad? I am so pro fruit in my salad. I love like berries and like apples and raspberries in my freaking salads. Look at that! Ah! And then I'm gonna add like toppings. 1 second. big daddy bite. So good.
2点才吃。哎呀，你不是喜欢那个洋葱猪排？傻乎乎的。
Lord knows I need to get my hair done. She is not looking good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really just trying to heal my relationship with myself, and for me that just meant deleting MyFitnessPal, because although I practice intuitive eating to a T in the past and current, I just got so obsessed with the numbers and the calorie counting that it became so unhealthy mentally and also physically, because that would just lead me to overeat, undereat, and it became like a cycle. So for me, I deleted MyFitnessPal and I've been so happy. It's been 5 days and I'm just in such a better place mentally. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe so you're up to date with all the days and eats of Casey Zhao. And oh my god, why do I talk like this? But thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!